Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a handy guide on how to unhide a chat on WhatsApp. If you've ever accidentally hidden a chat or used the chat lock feature for privacy, you might be wondering how to retrieve it. Well, worry no more. We've got you covered with a step-by-step tutorial that's easy to follow. Let's get started. 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version to access all the features smoothly. 2. Once you're on the chat page, swipe down. This action will reveal any hidden chats that you may have stored away. 3. Now, if you look closely, you'll see a locked chat icon. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. 4. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This is done by scanning your fingerprint or entering your password, depending on what you have set up. 5. After the verification process, you'll be able to open the locked chat and access all its messages. 6. To manage the chat settings, tap on the chat name located at the top of the screen. 7. Scroll down the settings until you find the option to turn off chat lock. This action will allow you to unhide the chat completely. 8. Finally, confirm your choice by scanning your fingerprint again or drawing your pattern, and that's it. You've successfully unhid a chat on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.